Hi everyone, welcome to Hank's Records, where we unbox and we talk about anything that revolves around music, whether that be records, CDs, all that. I have a package that I would like to unbox with y'all, and I ordered this on Amazon as a late Christmas / birthday present for me. So yeah, let's check it out and see what we got. See, got it off of Amazon. Oh. This is so cool. Prince and the New Power Generation, Diamonds and Pearls. Yeah, Diamonds and Pearls, that's right. And here is the back. Here's the front again, very glossy. You can see the pink reflection in the background, or the red, but whatever the color is for the camera and the filters. Yeah. Ooh, there we go. Got it going now. Got it going. Oh wow, so they packed in a lot of stuff. Okay, so right here you got the code for Diamonds and Pearls. It's basically a code that you can use to purchase another order off the Prince site. But although I did get this from Amazon. Here is sleeve 1. This is so cool. Oh. And here's sleeve 2. That's the New Power Generation band. Now they do come into black plastic inner sleeves to help maintain the record. Okay, so this is record 2. This is record 1. This is a milky white vinyl that I got. Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. Okay. So you got side 1, then you got side 2. Look at that. It's not transparent, or at least like not fully. It's got a marble type effect to it. It's like a pearl, you know. And I love that they kind of matched it with Diamonds and Pearls. I wanted this more than the clear records because I don't like clear records. I don't know why. I don't know. That's just my preference. Ooh, okay, and here is record 2. So we have side 3, or side C, side 4, or side D. So you can see there's that milky white vinyl. So beautiful, so beautiful. It's really beautiful. Well, I think that concludes my record haul, if you want to call it that, for Christmas and my birthday 2023. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you all again very soon. Bye.